Hello friends, welcome to TIARA Homeopathy. I am Dr. Gaude from Goa. Today I am going to discuss on some homeopathic medicine commonly used for cold and flu. My lectures are designed for students and doctors who want to practice classical homeopathy. So first we will discuss drug arsenic alb, which is one of the most commonly used drug for cold and flu and was recommended by Ministry of Ayush during pandemic. Patient will come to your clinic with complaints of thin watery acrid excoriating discharge and also hay fever with burning at nose and of face. He will tell he got all these complaints after getting wet, after exposure to cold or some allergen like dust or strong smelling object. Mentally, patient will be very restless, easily exhausted and will have lots of anxiety about health. Arsenic patient will have thirst, very frequent and for small quantity of water. Usually all complaints are aggravated after midnight and aggravation from lying on back and ameliorated by head elevation. Patient generally chilly but his head is usually ameliorated by cold air. Next drug is allium cepa. Nose discharge of allium cepa are acrid, watery, excoriating, with burning at the nose, similar like arsenic alb. But here also you will get bland discharge from the eyes. Symptom will start first on the left and then you will get running nose on the right side. There is frequent violent sneezing. You will also get hacking, tickling cough with rawness at throat. Throat very painful during cough. Patient is very hot and complaints aggravated in warm room and amelioration from cold room and in open air. Patient also has aggravation from cucumber. Next remedy is euphrasia. Here all symptoms are centered in eyes. You will get acrid lacrimation, watering of eyes with burning in the eyes with bland coryza. All complaints are aggravated in the evening and there is constant inclination to wink. If you get all these simple symptoms, then you can definitely prescribe euphrasia. Let's talk on the next drug which is very important and every physician must have used this drug in their practice, and that is sabadilla. Patient will come with complaint of violent sneezing, continuous sneezing with watery discharge from the eyes as well as from the nose. Ailment from taking cold drink, the smell from dust. All complaints are aggravated from cold room, cold drinks and amelioration from warm, especially warm rooms, and person desires to drink warm water. If you get all these symptoms, you can definitely get good result with sabadilla. In my previous video, I have explained commonly used homeopathic remedies for fever, that is aconite, belladonna, rustox, eupatorium and bryonia. I have not repeated them in this video. So if you want to watch that video, link is shared in description box. Before coming to the last remedy, kindly like this video if you have really understood these remedies and subscribe this channel for further notification. Let's move to the last drug of this video, that is Arum triphyllum. Even Dr. B.M. Hegde has mentioned the importance of this drug in one of his videos. Patient will come to your clinic during winter season with complaints of acrid excoriating discharge with burning in the nose. There is rawness in the mouth and also at the roof of the palate. There is constant picking of nose until it bleeds. This is specially a children remedy and usually you will be able to diagnose this drug just by looking at patient mouth and nose. there will be rawness, redness and bleeding. So thank you for watching this video till the end.